In this video, I will show you how to create a project. So we're going to go to the left-hand side of our screen where it says projects, to which we would go to the right-hand side of our screen and select the purple button, create project. And I'm going to select the button fill sample info for my circumstance, but you'll go ahead and fill in all the information accordingly, depending how you want to name this project. This is where all your patients are going to live in and such, as well as any description you would like to add in. A project ID is optional for you. And then in our circumstance, we are going to select insurance other. And then this you can leave blank and we'll select create project. Once we create the project, you will see it right here listed in the project's details. And you'll see here it will be listed as the first one all the way on the top. And I can select on sample project 793. And this will give me a little description as to what I already inputted, as well as the patients that would be listed under here if I had any of the record requests made, as well as medical information that's being obtained and requested. And that is how you create a project.